All right, this is an optional help video for question 7 if you're stuck. So question 7 says, based on how the author portrays Facebook, what do you think is the author's purpose of this article? Does he like or dislike Facebook's influence on society, and why? So this is where you think about that Picasso painting, right? Like, think about the specific words he is using. And what does that say about his thoughts? Let's go back and just look at a few important words that we talked about. A tough year for Facebook, including congressional hearings. Okay. Executives and investors spoken out about how the social media sites might be hurting rather than helping society. Okay. Facebook has long been criticized for creating filter bubbles. Let's see. Facebook gives scant or little details about how it defines what's meaningful. Let's keep on going up here. Okay. Let's see. By cutting back on items that Facebook users tend to passively consume, the change could hurt news organizations. Okay, so based on all those words, what do you think his purpose is? Does he like Facebook? Does he not like Facebook? Okay, good luck.